Good afternoon and welcome to Piedmont's Pop-Up Putt-Putt in Piedmont Park, presented by PRD, the Piedmont Rec Department. As you can see, we took a boring old parking lot and we turned it into 18 holes of putt-putt fun built by rec employees as well as community groups.
My name is Jake and I just did a mini golf course, and it wasn't like a real golf course, but it was like a tiny golf course. I built this hole with my dad. It's called Colleen's Cool Carpentry Crew. It's actually my first time doing it. I've gone to this event for quite a few years in a row, but it's my first time actually building a hole.
The name of the hole is Talons of Flame, and the book series Wings of Fire inspired me to build it. Inside of this egg, it's clear. We 3D printed these tiny baby dragons to fit inside of it. It was printed with PLA silk. I learned how to use a laser cutter. Laser cut the wings out. I also learned how to use a drill press.
Yeah, we came last year. It was a little rainy and it was only 13 holes, but we forged through and had a great time. And this year we have a full 18. I'm pretty pumped about that. We have the bridge here, obviously with a little traffic on it, as usual, living in the bay. And we're trying to get it over the bridge into the hole over there. A nice soft roll is how you get the hole in one. That's the secret insider tip.
So we have the duck pond here. We go ahead and people start with the ball just anywhere around this area. And then our hole is down through this wooden tunnel over here. So yeah, the duck pond.
I think the hardest one was the police one, because all the rubber duckies, I kept hitting the rubber duckies.
We have Officer Mallard, you have to get by, obstacle 1. Obstacle 2, if you get by Mallard, you have to get by Officer Donald.
This is Hercle Durkle in the Hollow, an upcycled experience among fanciful flora and fauna.
We were here last year and we won Best Recycled Entry, so we recycled again and reused some of the same parts.
We also like the idea that you don't have to spend a lot of money to make something that's hopefully fun and enjoyable. You can find things around your house and create with that. Another wonderful part about this is being able to be part of a community event. And we love coming out here because we get to see a lot of friends and neighbors.
We have 4 amazing awards for our community builders, and those winners will get a little trophy as well as a prize from some of our sponsors. People vote on those at the end of their putting experience. They vote for which one is the best. They put it in the can there.
I love coming to these events. They're very fun for me.
We love it. It's so fun. Next year, we already have things planned.
I had a lot of fun building this. Is really fun to play it when it was finished.
This is an absolutely lovely event. I thank the rec department. I thank Liam for coordinating all this. It's a just warm and lovely community event that people should come out to.
It's getting better and better every year. We got a full 18-hole course, and some of these designs are just out of this world.